Once again, we gonna set it off, man. Me and my team, we've been working forever. We've been grinding, hurting.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jayxherbo. By the time of this video, you already know what we reacted to. Uncle Skoob versus David Sloan. It's a little on the older side, but niggas don't watch everything recent, you feel me? So I gotta go back in the archives and see what we could react to, feel me? It just caught my eye. You already know I've been watching everything. I know I ain't been reacting to everything, but I've been watching everything. I know what's been going on. Y'all fuck with these videos, go ahead, give it a like, comment, subscribe, and shit. I see I had the Joel's playing. Shout out Joel's. Drop some shit, nigga. And you Jones. I don't give a fuck what y'all got going on with Cam, all them. Listen, I watched everything today. You heard? It's January 13th when y'all see this, man. Well, y'all fuck with these, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and shit. Shout out all my shorts, niggas, man. I know I'm back on, if you see this, I'm back on this, I'm back on shorts. Like, come on, you know you two shorts love me. But we gonna hop straight into this, man. See what David Sloan doing. Roger and Rondo came to see niggas play.
Like I said, surprise after the game today. I mean, y'all the best performance. I'm gonna be so.
We gonna see.
Just stay tuned.
We gonna see. We here for it. We here for it. Church vibe, you know that. We don't like the organized shit, man. That's what we here for. That's what we here for. That was a good move. I like his energy. Good D. I like his energy. I like his energy. I like his energy. That's anything on defense. You do not want to let your opponent get comfortable. You know? Niggas better get the dunk around this bitch. Damn. Nigga, come on, man. Come on, man. Hitting straight backboard or airballing. Which one is worse? Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know, man. Y'all let me know. Damn, Kentucky, huh? Is that another nigga with overalls on I'm looking at? Two niggas in one day? I was about to say, there's a kind of a foul that was kind of late though too at the same time. It was a foul, it was late though, it was late, it was late. Oh nah, that's not overall, she just got an X on her shirt. The pump fade! The pump fade, you could have stepped through too. Okay. Shout out my man's Tab, word of my mom, my boy. Come on, nigga. He would have called travel on me. He would have said, nah, nigga, that's a travel, nigga. He hate when niggas do that shit. Hip swivel, hip swivel. I'm not a fan of yellow, but I like that yellow shirt he got on. I ain't a fan of yellow, so I don't know if I wear it, but that shirt fire. That shirt fire. Uh-oh, Skoob. You know Skoob. I've been watching. You know Skoob. You know he got a. I noticed about Skoob, he don't come out on fire, never. Like, barely, never. He always gotta get warmed up and then he go on the hot streak. He don't ever just come out on fire like a motherfucker. Bow! See? And niggas is in New York, hey, little, hey, man, hey, it's ball, let's keep this shit ball on. Listen, we ain't gonna be throwing Franks. Like that. That's disrespectful. Skoob! Turn me up! Turn me up, turn me up, turn me up. Listen, listen, Skoob. I never understood. I ain't gonna. Never mind. I ain't gonna say it. Hey, 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 hey. Skoob gotta get him more uncomfortable. He comfortable. He real comfortable. Nigga, I'm comfortable, nigga. Nigga. Motherfucker, I'm comfortable, boy. Nigga. Nigga. Hello, nigga. You better tap me or something, nigga. You better wake me up. You better wake me up, my nigga. Now this nigga comfortable, nigga. Listen, the sideline, y'all sideline niggas stay on the sideline though. Come on, man. Woo, I done walked out. How many niggas named Day-Day in the world you think? How many niggas named Day-Day is in the world you think? It's mad niggas nicknamed Day-Day. I would be mad as hell if my nickname is Day-Day. Just cut, I'm changing my shit now. I'm changing my shit. I'm changing my shit. Yeah, that's kind of dirty, bro. That's kind of dirty. That's kind of dirty. That's kind of dirty, bro. That's kind of dirty. You don't do that. You don't do that. You don't do that, bro. You kind of elbowed him in the back of the head, gang. You elbowing niggas in the back of the head, bro. You can't elbow me in the back of the head, expect me not to react. I ain't gonna lie. You tweaking. Now you tweaking. See, now you tweaking. See, now you tweaking. Now you tweaking. Now you tweaking. Now you tweaking. Now he making. Now he on him. Now he on him. Now he on him. You see how Skoob playing defense? Yeah, he on him now. Come on, man. He gonna shoot it again, cause niggas not a believer. We gonna make niggas a believer though. We gonna make a nigga believer in this shit. Niggas ain't believing it. Come on, man. That is tough, nigga. Nigga, that's tough, nigga. Nigga, that's tough, nigga. And I'm going back over here to the black dingy shirt wearing nigga. On my mom. With your neck. I'm done. Look how he look though. That's all I'm saying. What we talking about? Come on, nigga. Look like, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, gang. Come on, gang. We ain't doing that, buddy. Like, listen, light-skinned, brown-skinned nigga. Relax your fucking self. Fuck is you talking about? Relax yourself. You get a couple buckets on camera, get hype, and now you, hey. Easy. Watch the defense Skoob play on him now. This the defense from first possession. You hear me? The D. I'm unbiased. I'm unbiased when I react to shit. You heard? I don't know. I'm unbiased. He good. He nice. He's good, actually. I ain't gonna say nice. He's good. 87. Now it's halftime? Nice escape dribble. Swing behind the back. Nice escape dribble. Side step. 3. It just missed.
There you go.
Homie better shoot. If he know better, he a good shooter. Stop looking at the ref. Fuck you talking about? Everybody stop looking at this damn ref. He ain't here right now. This black nigga is not here. It's one of these niggas in one corner. He can't see the whole court, nigga. What we doing? What are we doing? He can't see everything. Good slow stab. Fuck. A little more finesse. Niggas is getting me hot now. Y'all niggas gonna get me hot now, man. Come on, man. He better shoot. Cause he can shoot that bitch. He better shoot cause he can shoot that bitch. Shit mean, yo, get this nigga. Hey yo, I ain't gonna pause it no more. Get this nigga out the camera, gang. We don't wanna see you come up to the camera, bro. My nigga, you probably don't even have a white beater under that shirt. I can put any amount of money. He don't got no white beater on that shirt. I'm done. He don't got no white beater on that shirt. None, 0. That's it. Come on, man. Come on, man. I'm back. I feel back. Hunger back. I feel back, man. I'm back. Rest in peace, justice, forever justice, nigga. Word. And 1, man. And 1. That is crazy. That is crazy. That's crazy. That's good. Ah, that shit look good. Yeah. Don't be breath. What's taking you so long to blow that whistle? What you waiting for? What you waiting for? You better stop letting them shoot that motherfucker. Oh my God! That's a good bucket. That's a good bucket. Drag cross as he left layup. It's simple. Touch him, Skoob. Damn. Touch that motherfucker. My son just letting him just, bro, touch that nigga. Make him aggravated. Like, you dig? That nigga's comfortable as hell. He's still comfortable as hell. He's still comfortable as hell. Come on, listen, yo, they was real loud in the beginning. They was mad loud in the beginning. Hey, y'all fuck with that? Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and shit. For me, I think that's enough for me right now. That's enough until some more driving shit like that for me. Y'all fuck with this? Listen, just like, comment, subscribe, shit. Shout out Skoob, shout out the night, shout out everybody. For me, everybody I'll be reacting to Forever Justice. I'll be back with some more shit, man. I appreciate it. For me, shout out all my shorts niggas.